Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to integrate Firebase in our React application. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code, and here inside the src package, I'm going to create a new folder with the name utils. Inside this, I'm going to create a new file with the name firebase.js. Inside this, I'm going to add the configuration of the Firebase. So let's navigate to the browser. Let me search here Firebase. As you can see the official website of the Firebase. So let's go to the console. So I'm going to create a new Firebase project. Let me add here the project name that we have, React with Firebase. Let's click on the continue button. Click on the continue. Let me select here the Google Analytics account that we have default. Click on the create project button. As you can see, start creating a new project. It will take a couple of seconds. As you can see, project created successfully. Let's click on the continue button. As you can see, the newly created React app. Let me open this. And here I'm going to add the web app. Let me add here the app name that we have, React Auth RUD. Let's click on the register app. After this, I'm going to copy this command to install the Firebase in our React application. So let's navigate to the VS Code. Let me open here the new terminal. And I'm going to run this command. As you can see, Firebase installed successfully. After installing the Firebase, let's navigate to the browser. And I'm going to copy this SDK. Let me add inside the firebase.js file that we have created inside the utils package, where we have an import that is a initialize app. After this, we have a Firebase config. After this, we have object with the name app, where we are saving the response of the method that is a initialize app. Inside the argument of the method, we are passing here the Firebase config. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can document. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.